10 toes in the sack.
So of course y'all know Chucky is down at the moment. You saw that in the last video. Showed you the vert that I just got it painted. But today I'm gonna show y'all another one. Man, I've been had this vehicle for a long time. You know how it go. Swapping motors, swapping blah, 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 all that, you know. This tail up, that tail up. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all another one today. And just show you what I had done to it. Let's get to it. This it right here, man. Whole bunch of trash on there. Like I said, been sitting for a long time. I just been throwing stuff on it. But there it is. There it is. That's my paper right there, man. I had a LS swap, man. I had a LS swap, so it is a 5.3. The motor is a 5.3. Yeah, the motor is a 5.3. My cousin gave me the what's up? Say what's up. Say what's up, Cam.
What's up?
Tell everybody what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up, everybody.
What's up?
No, look in the camera. Look right here. Say what's up, everybody.
Huh?
Wave at them. Say what's up, everybody.
Try.
Say what's up, everybody. Wave at them.
Huh? Hey, that's so pretty, buddy. I'm here.
You want to see?
Yes.
I had to turn the camera around. Hey, y'all, that little Chucky right there, man.
I'm here.
That little Chucky.
I'm
Man.
here.
Look.
I'm here.
See, I'm video recording.
Oh, I'm tired.
Yeah.
With that.
But look though, yeah, y'all.
Yeah.
So.
I'm pass.
Hold on, Cam. Let me get done talking, okay? Go back over there with your sister. Look up. Take off, boy. Yeah, like I was saying, my cousin gave me these heads, and he gave me the cam. So he looked out for me on that, man. So and I had a 5.3 already. And he wasn't using those extra spare parts he had, and he just he gave them to me, man. He gave them to me, man. That was love right there, man. You know, that's what you know, that what fam for, man. That's what fam for. But yep. Got the motor LS swap. My buddy Jason, he put it he put it in for me. Did everything. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it. So here we go. Yeah, man. We're gonna fire this joker up. Like I said, it's junky now. It been sitting 2 years, so you know how that go. But let's see here. supposed to be getting one of my buddies over here to come tune it for me. He love fooling with those LS. Y'all might know him. He got a YouTube also named Corey Cousin. His YouTube page is It's Stock 09. It's Stock 09. Y'all go follow him, man. If y'all like drag racing, like me, if you love looking at those videos, he your guy. He got a whole bunch of videos. Good old drag racer. He even got me in my old videos of me racing checkers. So y'all go check them out, man. It's Stock 09. But yeah, I figured I'd let y'all in on that little secret right there, man. Finally got my baby on the road. I'm happy. You know how it is when you get one of your cars back going, you know. Be excited and everything, but hey Cam, come here. Y'all this little checker again, man. He's something else. Yeah, this the next up and coming checker. You point out. Tell him for hey.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hey.
Say what that cost? Boom, boom, boom,
Boom, boom, boom,
boom, boom.
boom.
What? Give him the phone. Look at him. That joke bad, boy. Look at him. Look at him. I'm gonna get your butt. Come here. Come here, boy. He bad, man. Joker done snap the phone, throw it down. But yeah. What'd you say? But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. We'll catch up with y'all later. You know, hopefully we'll have some other stuff, other content coming soon. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. Stay down.